Okay, so now all our soundproofing's finished, we're moving on to insulating. And we're going to be filling all of these recesses with insulation. The brand that we've gone for is Thermafleece, and we've picked Cosywool. It's a sheep's wool based insulation. Here we have it. Now this stuff is supposed to be non-scratchy, but I'm definitely wearing gloves with this. It's very fibrous. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to be getting that everywhere. So as you can see, this stuff is pretty compact and will cut out easily to fit the shapes of the recesses quite nicely. So before I install, I'm just going to pull it apart a bit like this. And the nice thing about sheep's wool is it has naturally mold resistant properties. Okay, this piece is ready to install. Let's see how it fits in here. Nice. Now I just need a thin slither to fit down here. And there's also a bit of a gap up here that I'm going to try and stuff some insulation in because this is hollow. All this section around the window. And then this piece is fitting in this gap here. Just going to take a bit of stuff in. Nice and snug fit. The van has these little recesses here which we can't access without stuffing insulation behind this gap here. As you can tell, that section is all hollow. What we're going to do is pull apart lots of small pieces and then just stuff them behind the gaps as tightly as we can. The insulation's coming along well. These sections are all done. The toughest bits have been these tiny little holes around the windows and here. And what I've done is used a screwdriver to just stuff the wool balls in the holes. All these pillars are full of insulation now. That's one whole roll of insulation that's gone into the van now. I'll show you exactly where I've put the insulation. All those walls have been done, apart from that bit, and the same on the other side, because the flexi pipes from the diesel heater are still installed, so I need to remove them. And then, all around these window frames, I had to stuff insulation through here, and then use a flexible piece of plastic to stuff it all down that pillar. This should be a pretty well insulated van once we're done. One of the big reasons we went for sheep's wool insulation is that it can absorb and expel moisture as long as you've got a breathable system. I've noticed since I've put it in and I've been giving the panels a tap, it's really good for sound deadening as well. So hopefully the van will be super quiet after we've installed it all. Another one, which I don't know the science behind it, but apparently sheep's wool can remove pollutants from the atmosphere within your space. So it can actually clean your air quality. Didn't know that before I bought it. Pretty cool feature. I'd be interested to know what everyone else's opinions on insulating campervans is, and if you've got one, what option you went for and why.